Everyone trying to start this 1956 Land Rover Series 1, it doesn't go. It only starts with starting fluid. Let's see. Oh, the battery's dead for one. Let's try it again. Does he have gas? Yes, he does.